All right. Hello, guys. Good morning and welcome to our live trading session for today. Today is Monday. I hope everyone had a great weekend. So, it's another week to make money from the Forex market. All right. So, as usual, we're going to be analyzing the market together and we're going to be looking out for possible entry opportunities. All right. If this is your first time of joining this live stream, you're welcome. What we do here is I analyze the market and give out free signals. Okay. And aside this, I also have a premium group where I give even better signals. The signals I provide here are basically scalping trades. And in the premium group, that is where I provide premium intraday signals. Okay. So to join the premium group, what you have to do is fund on this live stream, okay? Deposit money into your account on this live stream, all right? So you are not paying for the services, okay? You just need to fund your account. Now, funding your account, to fund your account, just click on that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Now, if you click on the banner, it will take you to the deposit page, all right? So when you're in the deposit page, if you deposit $10 into your account, you'll be eligible to join my premium group for 14 days. That's 2 weeks. If you deposit up to $15, you'll be eligible to join my premium group for 1 month. All right, that's 30 days. And if you deposit up to $200, you'll be eligible to join my premium group for 1 month. And then you also get a private session, a private access to me. Okay, a private session where I'll be able to teach you on how to become a profitable forex trader and even share my personal trading strategy with you. Okay. All right. So let's see what is going on in the forex market for today. Yeah, today is Monday and the market is usually slow. But let's see what we can make out of it. All right, and we are currently on XAU USD. Okay, XAU USD. So let's go down to, all right, let's check how the market is behaving on the higher time frame. All right. And as you can see, the market has been on uptrend. Okay, see, it's obvious. The market was initially on an uptrend movement, but when the market got to this point, you see, try to create a low. All right. So after this high, let's mark the high out here. Let's mark the high out. All right. So after this high, the market tried to this low was created. Okay, after this high, this low was created, and then the market tried to move up, above the high, but unfortunately, it didn't get to that level. And what happened? See, the market reversed when it got to this area, and then another low was created. Now, this is not a valid structure, okay? This is still an internal structure, okay? So guys, don't get it mixed up. This is still an internal structure. So until the market goes above this high or comes below this low. So when this market comes below this low, then we have a structure, okay? But inside this internal structure now, there's something happening here, okay? There's something happening here, and you can get the explanation when you make a deposit into your trading account. All right. So if you fund your account right now, if you fund up to $200, you'll be able to have a live session with me where I'll be able to, decrypt what is going on here. I'm telling you. So something happened here. Um, I'll just give you a snippet of what happened. Okay. I'll just give you a snippet of what happened. So here, when the market, came down, this is the first low that was created. Okay, this is the first low. This is the valid low that was created, and then the market move up a bit. Okay, and this looks like it's trying to create a high. Okay, but it's not a high because it didn't go above this level. So what happened here is just an internal structure, okay? And after the high, what happened? You see, another market came down, broke this low, and then broke the high that was just created, okay? So this here is what we call um, internal liquidity pool, okay? So this is an internal liquidity pool, and every time the market comes back into this level, what will happen? The market would buy. All right, and that is exactly what happened here. See, the market bought when the market got to this level. All right, so now we still have areas where the market hasn't retested. Okay, we still have areas where the market hasn't retested, and our liquidity pool is still very valid. All right, and as you can see right now, the market is currently on that area where we have untested fair value gap. Okay, it's currently at the point where we have untested fair value gap. All right, so now that we have an untested fair value gap and the market is currently inside it, Now let's see. So aside the fair value gap, we also have a break of structure. Okay, and this break of structure right now is kind of obstructing our initial um, analysis. Okay, it's obstructing our initial analysis because the break of structure right now is suggesting that the market is going to buy. It's going to sell rather. Okay, because we have a break of structure to the downside. Okay, so this is suggesting a sell, and while we have this suggesting a buy. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we have a zone here. We have the zone where the market retested. Okay, all right, so let's go down to the lower time frame. Let me just zoom out so we can see what is clearly going on. All right, so let's go down to the 15 minutes time frame. And now on the 15-minute time frame, as you can see, we have this zone where the market broke out and is currently making a retest. Then we have the zone where the market is had retested from. Now we are going to draw a box here, and we would allow the market to decide which direction is going to go to. All right, so we have a box drawn out here. We have a box drawn, and whichever direction the market breaks out to, that is the direction we are going to be focusing on. Okay, so right now there's no decision on XAU USD. We have conflicting market directions. Okay, so the breakout here is saying the market is going to continue to sell, and then the fair value gap here is saying the market is going to buy. Okay, so let's see the direction the market is going to break out from next. All right, so whichever direction the market breaks out from, that's the direction we're going to be uh, focusing on. All right, so we have analysis on XAU USD 15 minutes time frame, right? So let's analyze the crypto instruments. Let's analyze the crypto instruments. All right. Okay, so let's go down to Ethereum USDT since it's the next one here. Yeah, well, I love BTC to be above. Okay. All right, so we have BTC USDT. Yeah, we have BTC USDT. Okay. All right, let's go to the 2 hour time frame. Let's see what is currently going on with the BTC pair, the BTC instrument rather. Okay, so for BTC USDT, um, after the halving event, as you can see, the market came down to my price point. Okay, and then I got an entry around this level, and you see, ever since the market has been making bullish moves. Okay, the market has been making bullish moves, and then right now we have another high here. We have a high. We have a high that the market is currently approaching. Okay, we have a high here, and the market is currently approaching the high. So, okay, I'm just going to use the body of the high. Okay. All right, so let's go down to the lower time frame. Let's go to 30 minutes. Now, on the 30-minute time frame, as you can see, the market is currently inside the zone. Okay, it's currently inside the zone, and BTC USDT looks like it's going to sell any moment from now. So what we're going to do here is we are going to wait for um, a proper break of or a proper close of candle below our moving average. Okay, below our moving average. And aside that, I think we have that on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, and aside that, we also have, look at this, look at this. So on the 15 minutes time frame, we have a change of character. Okay, so it's even more perfect on the 5 minutes time frame, because on the 5 minute time frame, as you can see, we have liquidity, grab. Okay, we have liquidity grab, and then here we have a change of character, break of structure. Okay, and let's go back to the 15 minutes time frame. So on the 15 minute time frame, you can see how the market respected the level. Okay, you see how the market respected this level and created this bearish move. Okay, right? Okay, so this could have been our entry point. This would be our take profit, and this would probably be our stop loss level. Okay, but we didn't catch this. movement early, right? I love sniper entries. I love sniper entries because with sniper entries, you get small stop loss and a big take profit. So this would be my first take profit. This would be my second take profit level. Yes. Okay. All right. So we didn't kite the entry on time on BTC USDT. So let's rush down to Ethereum USDT. Hopefully, what is happening on BTC is still arranging itself on Ethereum USDT. Okay. Okay. So let's go down to the 5 minutes time frame. All right. So for Ethereum USDT, yes. Okay. All right. So let's go to the higher time frame. All right. Let's check if we have um maybe like a level, a support, a resistance level, or a break of resistance on the higher time frame. Okay. So on the higher time frame, as you can see, we have this level, a previous break of structure. Okay, retested more than once, and we have a current movement of the market approaching the level for the third time. Okay, it's approaching the level for the third time. So let's see if this is going to be a good level to trade from. If it is a good level, then we open a sell position. Okay, if it's a good level, we open a sell position. All right, but on the 30-minute time frame, as you can see, the market, the candles are above our moving average, okay, the two moving average. So we just need to wait for a better confirmation. I personally would prefer the market to come below the moving average, not above. Okay, I would want the market to close below the moving average before I, place a sell trade. Right. All right. So moving on, we are currently on BNB USDT. Okay. So for this, I think we can delete all the previous analysis. Um, no, it's kind of rough. So let's see what has happened in the market previously before now. All right, so here we have a break of structure, a break of structure, a break of structure, and then the market broke the structure to the opposite side. So this would become our liquidity pool. Okay, so here we have a liquidity pool. We have a liquidity pool, and here we have a change of character. Okay, we have a change of character there. So let's see what the market is currently doing. Okay, so all right, so BNB USDT, we have for BNB USDT, we have this entry. Okay, so for this, I'm also going to wait for a proper confirmation. Okay, as you can see on the lower time frame, the market has, gotten to the zone earlier, but rejected the zone, and right now our moving average is pushing the market, back to the zone for the second time. So let's see what happens when the market, gets to the zone for the second time. We're going to wait and see if the market is going to reject the zone or if the market is going to break above this level and continue to go up. Okay. All right. So we have analysis on, let's go back to XAUUSD. Yes, we have analysis on XAUUSD where I said I would wait for a break of structure. If the market breaks above, I am predicting a buy because of what I saw on the higher time frame, which is the fair value gap. So I think the market is going to buy, and then I had a box drawn out. Okay, and I said if the market closes above, we are going to buy. Okay, and if the market moves down and close below this level, we are going to continue to sell. All right. So we have analysis on that, and then BTC USDT. All right, for BTC USDT, yes, we didn't catch the movement on time, and then the market had moved past our entry point. All right. Then on Ethereum USDT, we are currently waiting on the market. We are waiting for the market to give a rejection, a proper rejection. Okay, so possibly I want the market to close below the moving average. So when once that happens, I'll look for a sell opportunity. Okay, selling opportunity, and then we have BNB USDT. And for BNB USDT, I'm waiting for the market to retest this level for the second time. Is it the second time or the third time? Okay, so for the second time, all right. So when the market made a retest and give, let's say, a rejection candle, I'm going to open a sell position on BNB USDT. Okay. All right. So let's continue. Let's move on. Okay. So we are currently on AUDCAD. We are currently on AUDCAD. And as you can see on AUDCAD, the market has been making bearish moves, selling to the downside. Okay, the market has been making bearish moves, selling to the downside. All right, so we have the market reacting to this level. Okay, Okay, and then we have this low, and the market closed above the previous low, making this, the new low. All right, so let's zoom out on this. Okay, and as you can see, the market is currently retesting this level where we have a resistance zone. Let's go to the lower time frame. Okay, so we have another block here, and the market came to retest the other block. Okay, the market came, it went up to retest this zone, but right now you see it violated our trend line. Okay, it violated our trend line, and so I think the market is respecting the other block we have there this time around and not the trend line. So let's delete the trend line. Remember what I said about trend line and support and resistance. Okay, so trend line is just to back up your analysis. Okay, trend line is supposed to be used to back up your analysis. All right, and that's exactly what is going on here right now. That is what is happening here. So as you can see, the market moved up to this level, and what happened? It created this retest. Okay, it made this retest, and if you look at it from the lower time frame, you can see that the market, after the retest, the market created this move. Okay, this is the 30 minutes time frame. The market created this move. This is our stop loss. Okay, okay. So let's look for another fair value gap. Guys, you see how I'm making analysis with just fair value gaps? Yes. So we just fair value gap and break of structure, you can become a professional and profitable forex trader. Okay, so you just need to get that point, all right, that exact point where you think the market is going to reverse from. So I'm not saying you'll be getting this 100% all the time, but the winning rate is great. Okay? Where I'll be able to break the strategy down for you. Okay. All right. So now let's head on to AUDJPY. Okay, AUDJPY 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, the market broke above this level and is currently approaching this level. Okay, let's draw out the level where it hasn't, the market hasn't broke. Right. So on the lower time frame, right? On the 15 minutes time frame, we can clearly see that the market was here. All right, so here we have a change of character. Okay, so after the change of character, we have multiple areas where the market hasn't retested. Okay, all right, so now let's go to the current market and see if the market is going to get triggered from any of our point, our entry point. All right, so the market had previously triggered from the second entry point. Okay. Right. Okay, so I think I saw an opportunity here. Now let me see what our risk to reward ratio is going to look like. All right. So we had a good risk to reward ratio. We got a good risk to reward ratio. Okay. So I'm gonna set out. I'm gonna copy out You take profit and the stop loss. Okay. All right. So, guys, we're gonna place a trade on AUDJPY. Let's sell AUDJPY. AUDJPY sell now, and we have a TP. So let me just quickly copy out the stop loss. Okay, so we are currently selling. We have a take profit and a stop loss on. Okay, we have a take profit and a stop loss on. Okay, so I believe everyone has said their take profit and their stop loss for this trade. Now let's make analysis on another pair. All right. So for our next analysis, we have AUD USD. AUD USD. That is the Australian dollar against the United States dollars. Okay. Right. All right. So for AUD USD, I'm gonna allow it. I'm gonna allow the trade to close above this level. Okay. I'm gonna allow the trade to go above this level, uh, because as you can see, the market closed above the trend line. Okay, which suggests that the market is gonna buy. Okay, it suggests that the market is gonna buy. But right now, it's still not confirmed because we have a fair value gap that is pushing the market downward. Okay, we have a fair value gap that is pushing the market downwards. So I want to see the market, go above this level. So I want to see something like this, uh, break this level, make a retest, and then continue to go up. So this is the trend I am going to follow. Okay. All right. Let's make analysis on popular instruments. Okay. So let's start with Euro GBP. Euro GBP. So on Euro GBP, as you can see, the market went above our previous level, giving us a break of structure to the upside. Okay, a break of structure to the upside, right? You can, so you see, the market made a retest after the breakout, and currently the market is still moving towards the bullish direction, right? So these are areas where the market has rejected from previously. Okay, and on the higher time frame, as you can see, the market is currently inside the zone. Okay, and the moving average is backing its movement to the upside. So let's see if this is going to break this next level. All right, so um, if the trend successfully breaks this resistance, then the market is going to go high. It's going to go bullish even further. Okay, we can expect bullish move on Euro GBP for the whole of this week. All right. Okay, so I'm not going to place a trade on Euro JPY, and the reason is because you see this level where the market has come back to. The market has rejected this same level more than 3 times. Okay, see, we had our first rejection here, one, here, two, three, four, and this is the fifth time. All right. So when market is making this kind of move where it's trying to break, where it's coming back to either a resistance or a support every time, it means the market is trying to break that support or the resistance zone. Okay, and that is what I believe the market is currently trying to do here. I think this market is trying to break um, this resistance zone. Okay, so selling from here will be too risky. So instead, I would, if I'm going to place a sell trade here, it's going to be from the lower time frame. Okay, where we have an immediate rejection, and then I place a sell position. All right. So moving on, let's go to Euro USD. I think we also had this analysis last week, and the market started playing out. Okay. All right. So there's no immediate opportunity here. Okay. So guys, before we continue, let's quickly rush back to our previous analysis. I think that has taken quite a bit of time. So let's see if any of our analysis has gotten to our entry point. All right. Ethereum USDT, and Ethereum is still creating bullish candles, right? It's still within the same range. Okay. Okay, so none of our trade or our analysis has hit or has triggered from the entry point. So let's quickly make the last analysis for today before the end of our session. Okay, I give out this signal last week, Friday, USDJPY, and you see how the market had, been very profitable. The market came exactly as predicted, started making bullish moves. And if you go down to the lower time frame, you can see this clearly. All right. So, guys, our session is scheduled for an hour, and We've come to the end of our session for today. Make sure to check your trade. Make sure you are checking your trade to see if you are making profit. Okay. So once you see profit, make sure you go out of the market and secure your profit. All right. So guys, that'll be all for today. Enjoy the rest of your day.